ZayNas Playhouse!
Hi, friends. Look at our colorful puzzle board. Oh no. Let's go find them. Look what I found. It's an animal puzzle. But something looks wrong. The animals are all mixed up. Let's fix them together. Almost there. Only 2 more to go. And done! Whoa! Look at that! Awesome! Let's take them back to our board. First, the snail, sliding home. Next, the crocodile, chomp chomp. Wow! Then the clever fox. Zoom! And last, the big elephant. Let's keep looking. Oh, what's this? It's an owl puzzle. Let's build it together, friends. Here's the owl's head. Look at those big shiny eyes. Now let's find the body. There it is. Snap. Perfect. Let's add a wing. Oops. There we go. Now the other wing. Flap, flap. And the feet go right at the bottom. Tap, tap. Yay! We did it. Wait, it's an owl puzzle piece. We found it.
Wow!
Let's put it here. Good job, friends. Wow! Look at all these animals, friends. Let's see who we have today. Here's a bear. Hi, Mr. Bear. And this is a zebra. Look at those stripes, black and white all over. What's happening? The zebra just became a puzzle piece.
Yay!
Let's take it back to the board. Click. Perfect. Next is a moose. Wow, look at those big antlers. Hi, Mr. Moose. And last, we have a cute sheep. Ba-ba. But where's the sheep puzzle piece? Whoa! There it is. Yay! Now we can take it back to the board too. Click, click. Great job, friends. Look, friends.
Wow.
We're in the jungle. Here's a bear. And next to him, a cute little deer. Here's the elephant. Wow! And here's the lion. Roar! And there's a hippo. And last, our tall friend, the giraffe. What's happening? Wow! We found more puzzle pieces. Let's take them back to our board, one by one. First, the lion. Click. Then the giraffe. Click. And last, the bear. Click. Yay! Awesome. And where's this puzzle piece? Let's do the magic trick. Wow! We have our last puzzle piece, and it's a hedgehog.
Wow!
Goes here. Whoa! Look, friends, all the numbers and shapes just came back, like magic.
Yahoo!
Let's put them back on the board together. Here's number 1. It's red. It goes right here. Now number 2, orange and so bright. Let's place it beside number 1. Here's number 3. Nice and snug in its spot. Number 4, light blue, like the sky. Number 5, shiny. Click! Fits perfectly. Number 6, goes right here. Good job. Number 7, oh, my favorite. Let's put it in place. Number 8, it's blue, like the ocean. Click, perfect fit. Number 9, green, just like the grass. Only one left now. And finally, number 10. Now shapes. Let's start with this one. Where is it? Ah, here's a red circle. It's nice and round. It goes right here. Pop, perfect. Now a square. Found it. And it's orange. It has 4 equal sides. Click, all done. Next, we have a triangle. It's yellow. 1, 2, 3 sides. Great job. Here comes a star. Teal, blue, and shiny. Let's put it right here. Twinkle! Just a few more left. Help me quick, friends. Do you see this shape? Ah, this! A trapezium. Wow, that's a big word. It goes right in this spot. Now, a heart shape. Where is it? Light gray. Found it. Aw, it fits perfectly. Here's a hexagon. Pink and strong with 6 sides. Click. That's right where it belongs. Now a pentagon. Dark blue with 5 sides. You're doing amazing, friends. Next up, a rhombus. It's green. Let's fit it in. There we go. And last one, sector shape. Light green. Looks like a slice of pie. All done. Yay! You helped me so much today. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends.